How to get free dead boxes in Brawl Stars. Brawl Stars Dead Boxes event is a fun and rewarding opportunity for players to collect free dead boxes along with a range of other exciting rewards. With GadInsider's guide, you can make the most of this fantastic chance to rack up rewards and exclusive items. Players need to reach a global target of 20 billion takedowns collectively. Once this target is hit, all players will receive 10 free dead boxes containing coins, star power-ups, hypercharge, and possibly even new brawlers. Brawl Stars will distribute these dead boxes to all players on October 31st. Here's what you can earn. Double mastery points. Level up your brawlers faster by earning double mastery points. Double XP. Increase your account level more quickly with double XP. Hypercharge star drop. Receive free hypercharge items that can impact the outcome of battles. Double star drops. Collect more stars in the event than usual. Special Dead Box Giveaway. In addition to the Dead Box rewards, Brawl Stars is hosting a special giveaway in which 5 lucky players will win all rewards from the Dead Boxes, including brawlers, exclusive skins, and other in-game items. To participate in this giveaway, simply post a screenshot or video of your gameplay in the event using the event's hashtags on their social media accounts. Aim for as many takedowns as possible to contribute to the global target, and hold on to any gems you have, as Brawl Stars may release more dead boxes available for purchase with gems.